Did you know Linux powers over 90% of the world's servers and runs everything from Android phones to supercomputers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started with Linux in 2025, from installation to essential commands, even if you've never touched Linux before. Linux is a free open-source operating system used by tech giants like Google, NASA, and Amazon. Unlike Windows or macOS, Linux is customizable, more secure, and totally free to use. Whether you're into cybersecurity, cloud computing, programming, or just want to speed up your old PC, Linux is a skill that can open job opportunities in 2025 and beyond. There are hundreds of Linux versions called distributions or distros. For beginners, I recommend Ubuntu, user-friendly, huge community, great for starters. Linux Mint looks and feels like Windows, perfect for switching. Fedora, cutting-edge software for developers. I'll use Ubuntu for this tutorial, but the basics work on almost any distro. Step 1. Download your Linux ISO from the official website. Step 2. Create a bootable USB using tools like Rufus or Balena Etcher. Step 3. Restart your computer, boot from the USB, and follow the on-screen instructions. You can install Linux alongside Windows in a dual boot setup or replace Windows completely. Don't worry, I'll link a full installation guide in the description. Once you're in Linux, the terminal is your best friend. Here are 5 essential commands. pwd shows your current directory. ls lists files in the folder. cd folder name moves into a folder. cp file 1 file 2 copies a file. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade updates your system. Mastering these will make your Linux experience much smoother. Linux isn't just powerful, it's beautiful. You can change your desktop environment, add extensions, or even make it look like macOS or Windows. My tip: keep exploring, join Linux communities, and practice daily. The more you use it, the more you'll love it. If you found this Linux guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Talk, and check out my other Linux tutorials linked here. Comment below, which distro are you starting with in 2025? See you in the next video.